send some mean messages today. Let's go.
Hey, I got a message. What's wrong?
Somebody's being mean to me.
That's bullying that's called cyberbullying.
What's cyberbullying?
I mean someone's being mean to you constantly online.
What can I do about it?
You can show your parents, you can print it out and show it adults anytime, and you could tell them to stop or ignore it.
Okay. Be responsible, 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 responsible. Be responsible.